Biomedical researchers are drowning in static AI reports. They hand you a conclusion, hide the evidence, bury the uncertainty, and make it nearly impossible to trace a claim back to a specific protein or paper. What if your AI didn't just write a report, but built an interactive workspace? That's exactly what BioInsight does. It's a multi-agent system that shifts biomedical AI from static text generation to evidence-centered interactive interface generation. Instead of flattening everything into a narrative, BioInsight preserves every intermediate step through typed artifact contracts. These are strictly structured data objects that pass cleanly between agents, so provenance is never lost. Here's how the architecture actually works under the hood. The system runs on a 3-layer harness. First, a planning agent maps your input protein list to enriched biological pathways using Profiler, then scores them by combining statistical enrichment p-values with literature relevance. Next, a search agent pulls publications from PubMed and Semantic Scholar. It scores each paper with a weighted formula that balances lexical keyword matches, BioBERT semantic similarity, which uses context-aware language modeling to match paper content to your query, citation impact, and journal prestige. Publications that clear a validated threshold get locked into the evidence chain. Then comes the reasoning layer. Instead of generating free-form prose, the agent builds structured reasoning notes and constructs undirected weighted graphs from protein-protein interaction data. It clusters connected components to separate coherent biological modules from isolated signals, and explicitly flags where evidence is weak or indirect. Finally, a visualization agent takes those exact same structured artifacts and renders a dashboard schema. It doesn't invent new claims. It only exposes what's already in the evidence chain, complete with clickable citations, pathway rankings, and uncertainty markers. This architecture isn't just theoretical. On standardized biomedical QA benchmarks, BioInsight outperforms frontier models in exact answer accuracy and multi-answer extraction. On a new expert-curated benchmark called BioInsight 100, it scores highest in cross-evidence protein reasoning. And in end-to-end evaluations across diseases like Alzheimer's and chronic kidney disease, domain experts consistently rate it superior in traceability, ranking quality, and dashboard usability. BioInsight proves that biomedical AI becomes genuinely useful when it stops hiding its work. By enforcing strict artifact contracts between retrieval, reasoning, and visualization, it turns black box reports into auditable, interactive decision support tools. The future of research AI isn't just generation. It's provable, inspectable, and interactive.